Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blocks bike full guide. Start by gathering all materials, tools, and a safe work area before cutting any pieces. I explain basic block selection, layout planning, and the necessary measurements so each component fits together securely. Take your time on joints and reinforcement, and always sand rough edges for comfort. The goal is a simple, sturdy blocks bike suitable for gentle rides and creative play. Begin cutting your blocks to match the planned frame, keeping pieces uniform for balance and stability. I cover safe cutting techniques, how to mark angled joints, and when to use guide blocks for repeatable cuts. After cutting, dry fit parts first, then glue and screw them together in stages, allowing glue to cure between steps. This approach reduces stress on the structure and helps keep steering and wheel alignment true. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more DIY projects and tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear, calming advice that can change how you think about materials, budgets, and long-term planning. It pairs well with DIY projects and thoughtful spending. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Mount wheels so they spin freely and sit parallel to the frame to avoid wobble when riding. I demonstrate axle options, spacing, and how to set up a simple pivot for the front steering block that keeps control predictable. After initial assembly, make incremental adjustments to caster and toe in, then test ride at low speed. Fine-tune until steering is smooth and the bike tracks straight without binding or drift.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.